This is feedback for Razan on her IC1. Um, like we talked about in class, please make sure that what you put in your outline goes into your essay. You're missing the thesis here, and that brought your intro all the way down to the lowest grade just because of that, but you had it on your outline, so make sure you do that. This word is not needed. They're disconnected here. Using language like first of all, this is language that goes into the body paragraph, so don't use it in the intro. And it's kind of disconnected, meaning like you say one thing here and then this sentence is completely disconnected. I mean, these two ideas don't go together. So maybe you need to put a sentence here that connect those better. This is spelling error. You figure out how to spell that. I thought this was a good point that you made here. But then here, consequently, this is again transition language that shows the result of something. So you have to give an example, and then you say consequently, you show the result. So that's what I'm saying. Show me. You're not showing me here, right? You need to show me first and then say consequently and then give the result. Again, stuff like how, I'm saying they will be successful and have skills. How? Like, I understand you're saying that they will be successful. That's what your whole topic sentence is about. These should be an example of how they are successful. An example of the skill that they got from the cell phone. Again, how is this related? So be a little bit more specific and give me some direct examples in your essay. And here in the second part of your essay, academic, ACA, that's what I'm saying. Like, that may be crazy. This is not the language that we say in the academic essay. And is it related too? Looks like spelling error there. Conclusion looks generally good. Maybe be a little bit more specific here. Spelling error here. And make those changes uploaded into Port 1 Week 9.